If you're new to Bluesky, you might have encountered posts mentioning alt text. But what exactly is it? And why is it so important? Alt text, short for alternative text, is a brief written description of an image embedded in the code on a site or app. It serves several purposes, but its primary function is accessibility. Alt text allows blind and low vision users to understand what an image shows by enabling their screen readers to read the description aloud. Here is what an image on Bluesky sounds like to a screen reader user without alt text.
Image, unlabeled.
And here is that same image with alt text added.
The Joker from Batman, the animated series, is sitting in a chair with his hands pressed together, resting on his chin, and a facial expression of deep thought. Photoshop on his head is a kente cloth kufi. Image.
Add alt text to images by selecting the plus alt button on an uploaded image in the post editor. Bluesky lets you use up to 2,000 characters, though the limit may vary on other platforms. If you're new to writing alt text, here are a few helpful tips. Be descriptive but concise. Mention key details without being overly wordy. Focus on essentials, especially if there's text, faces, or critical objects. Focus on context. Think about why you're posting the image and what information supports your message. Mention text in images. If the image contains essential text, include it in the alt text. Include emotions or actions. If a person's expression or action is relevant, describe it. Keep it neutral. Avoid subjective descriptions. Stick to what's visible unless specific emotions are part of the context. Don't use image of or picture of. Screen readers already indicate it's an image. Don't overload with details. Only include what's meaningful to the post's context. Don't use complex jargon. Keep descriptions understandable to a broad audience. Don't describe the obvious. Skip details that are evident from context, like popular, recognizable memes. Don't use hashtags or emojis. These often don't translate well for screen readers and can clutter the description. Want to ensure you always remember to add alt text? Bluesky offers an accessibility setting that can prompt you before posting if an image lacks it. Go to Settings and look for accessibility at the top of the Basics section. You'll find a toggle for Require alt text before posting, and another for Display larger alt text badges so you can visually track which images have alt text. Remember that your efforts are valuable even if you're new to or unsure about writing alt text. The accessibility community encourages and practices progress over perfection. Adding alt text to your Bluesky images makes the platform more inclusive and enjoyable for everyone. It's a simple action with a significant impact.